set them off to the side here safely. What's up, attacker? Zach here. By the way, the trail is looking epic. We are making trail. Now this is a topic that people have requested. My philosophy with trail making are these babies, loppers. That's all I use. I'm not getting those loppers for a while. That's it. No chainsaws, nothing, just loppers. Now these are pretty heavy duty. I can cut some pretty big stuff. If your trail requires a chainsaw, you're making it too wide. And if a tree falls down or there's something in the way, go around it. Simple as that. It makes it more technical, it makes it more challenging, and it kind of makes it more natural. As you can see, you know, it's not fully clear. What really breaks the trail in is just riding it. So as long as I get the main stuff out, you ride it. There's certain tweaks you gotta make. There's certain stuff that needs to be cleared out after. You know, maybe you kick up some logs that need to be moved. So it's not like an immediate thing, you know, you cut the trail, you're done. You know, you gotta cut the trail, you gotta make adjustments, clean it out a little more after it gets ripped up. So right now I'm making the trail, I'm freeballing it. And what that means is I don't really have a plan to where it's going. But usually what you wanna do is pre-mark it. So you walk out with some tape or ribbon, arrows, whatever, and mark where you want the course to go and plan it out. This is like poop. It's a crazy amount of work. It's super hot, but it's gonna be all worth it. I think it's time for lunch. We got a snake. We'll get this little fella out of harm's way. Oh, you're all right, little fella. So it's raining. It's super humid. But we're cutting the section here. This is gonna be holy. Oh, I fell down. It's sheer rock, so you're coming down this? I don't know, man. I think this is gonna be stupid. Another day, another dollar. A lot of the trail clearing is just moving the debris on the ground. That's more so when I go to ride it the first few times, I know where to go. Alexa, play heavy metal music.
Hard rock and metal on Amazon Music.
So here's a map of the property. I got the border of our property on here. When I finish the course, I'll go out and I'll walk it with the GPS. And I can import the tracks right into this, and I'll have a whole map, interactive map of the property. So there'll be like certain areas, like I know right here along the field, I have to mow that with a tractor. So I'll mark that. That'll be like maintenance spots. So I'll know I need to go here, 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 here with a tractor every few weeks to keep it clear. So, you know, whatever. So I'll have like intervals I'll be able to maintain the track. I know this is overkill. So any small branches like this one eventually will grow and cover the trail. So taking care of it now, you know, you're reducing your future maintenance on it, on the trail, just by cutting the small stuff that will grow into the trail next year. See right here, we got a stump, so I'm gonna put this like that. Oh boy, we got some ants. Look at all those guys. And then I'm gonna line this tree up. It just kind of directs you to avoid that. And I like to do that with all my trails just because, for safety reasons. That was my good buddy, Jason. He didn't make it up this hill. Welcome back to the Trail Making Chronicles. Beautiful morning up here at the Zack Attack 1 compound. working our way up this gorge here. I got a new tool today. This is like a little hoe. Hardest part is just cleaning out the junk that's all down in here. So that's why this little prong thing's gonna hopefully help. Just gotta rake it all down. Oh, this is such a pain. Oh crap, it's right in the trail. Pinned behind this tree. I can't go back. And I can't really go forward. Am I on top? Oh man, I'm on top. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed these random clips of me making some trails. I hope it was useful because this was really just a diarrhea of clips. There's just diarrhea of video clips. But hey, it's hard to be documenting every second of it when you're trying to finish the dang trail system. I got about 80% complete till I hit a huge snag. Bees. It's like my biggest fear, running into a bee's nest out here. I'm getting out of here. I'm done for the night. I lost my loppers. I'm not getting those for a long time. The best part about making trail, though, is going and testing your creation. Ah! Oh God, there she goes. You've got to be kidding me. I am so pissed off right now. Alright, maybe it's not as fun as I thought. More on this, coming soon.